What's the meaning of adjustment? Adjustment. 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 Adjustment refers to the process of making small changes or modifications in order to achieve a desired outcome or improve a situation. The result of adjustment can vary depending on the context in which it is used, but generally it involves tweaking something to better fit a specific need or goal. These adjustments can be made to anything from personal habits and behaviors to organizational processes and systems, and can often lead to increased efficiency, effectiveness, and overall success. Overall, adjustment is a key tool for problem solving and improvement in a wide range of settings.